Okay, let's whip together our coffee syrup first. Just mix some hot coffee with Kahlua. These two are a total power couple. Give it a good stir and let it cool off on the side. Now onto our ultra smooth cream layer. Toss in the egg yolks and sugar. Then place the bowl over a pot of simmering water. And careful, the bottom of the bowl should not touch the water. After whisking for a while, you'll see the egg yolks turn pale and creamy. Keep whisking as it heats up. We're aiming for around 70 degrees Celsius. All right, set the egg yolk mixture aside to cool down a bit. Time for mascarpone. Scoop it in and give it a stir. Look at that silky texture. Oh, and don't forget 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Instant flavor upgrade. Then go in with a mixer and whip until it's smooth, creamy, and smells like sweet dreams. All right, let's whip the cream. Grab some cold, heavy cream from the fridge and whip it till stiff peaks form. You can use whipped egg whites instead, but personally, I'm team whipped cream all the way. It's richer, thicker, and tastes amazing. Okay, gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture in 2 batches. Be gentle. Scoop from the bottom and fold it up. We're trying to keep all that lovely fluffiness. Now comes the fun part, assembly. Grab your ladyfingers and give each one a quick dip in the coffee Kahlua mix. Lay them down to cover the bottom of your dish. If they're too long, break them. No big deal, just make them fit. Spread half the cream on top and smooth it out. Add another layer of coffee-dipped ladyfingers, then finish it off with the rest of the cream. Wipe down the edges of the dish. Trust me, this makes it way prettier when you slice it later. Pop a lid on, then into the fridge it goes for a good overnight chill. Okay, let's take it out and dust on a nice thick layer of cocoa powder. Deep breath. That smell is everything. Cut a slice nice and slow. The cream melts like a cloud on your tongue. The coffee-soaked ladyfingers are rich and just a tiny bit bitter. The vanilla and cocoa swirl together. It's layered, fluffy, bold, and seriously, one bite and you're hooked. If you love easy but magical desserts like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!